last video, we were preparing for a southern winter snowstorm that hasn't happened since 1800. We were expecting only a couple inches, but we got something so unexpected, and you'll have to watch the video to find out. Hey guys, so we are here at Walmart before the snowstorm hits.
Are your shoes tight?
We have to go get lunch, and then we have to go to the laundromat.
Are these gonna fit in there?
But yeah, we came here to get some gloves. Lexi lost her gloves, and Ryan doesn't have enough socks because his is gonna get wet in the snow tomorrow, so we came to get more socks. But yeah, it is so cold outside. I think this morning it got down to like 15, so it's freezing. And then tomorrow the feel like temperature for tomorrow night is going to be 5 whole degrees. We've never had it that cold. At least I've never experienced it that cold, so it's gonna be quite crazy. Oh, I do have a snow day tomorrow. There is no school. They called like 6 times at like 5 a.m. this morning saying school is canceled, no school, and they're gonna announce tomorrow if Wednesday will be in session, but yeah. What?
I feel good because I picked them out.
Yeah. Hi guys, so I am fresh out the shower and I'm currently looking at all my new classes because they're supposed to start tomorrow, but we're having a snow day, so. But anyway, I was seeing you guys. The hurricane hunters are actually assessing this storm, this winter storm. So they're using hurricane hunters. That's like how low this storm goes. They're using hurricane hunters to assess this winter storm. It's absolutely crazy. But yeah, apparently they have already salted the roads. The roads that we were on, we didn't see it, but apparently they have. And also they're saying plan on I-10, like the I-10 corridor being shut down. So that would really suck. But it's okay because like we've got all of our food like shopping done, so it's not like it affects us too much, but it would definitely suck. And like how long would it be shut down, you know what I mean? Because the roads are still gonna be bad Wednesday, so I don't know, is it just gonna put everything like off a day? Like I don't know how this stuff works. But yeah, I'm going to start working on some school tonight so I don't have to do anything tomorrow. But yeah, just want to give you an update. It's midnight and the snow is just arriving. Oh my god, there's freezing rain coming down. Oh my god, I'm like catching it in my hand. Can you guys hear it? I'm not sure if you can. Hitting my hand and then like melting because my body temperature. Also, Ryan currently has food poisoning, so we're trying to work around that. It's falling from the sky, mate! I'm catching it! Okay, we just came in and I took my glasses off because we're fixing to go to bed, but you could literally hear the ice falling, couldn't you, Lexi? Mm-hmm. Like, people, I didn't really understand what people said when they heard, like, ice falling. I'm like, couldn't it just sound like rain? And it kind of does, but it has, like, I feel like more high-pitched. You get what I'm saying?
It's snowing in our downtown area, but downtown's
like 3 streets over from us, it's snowing, but it's not snowing at our house. It's just, like, a wintry mix, you feel me? Hopefully when we wake up in the morning, there's going to be snow on the ground. Because it wasn't supposed to snow until 9 a.m. tomorrow. And it's currently midnight and it's already snowing. So there was a reason why they said if you're getting 3 to 5 inches, add 2 inches more, because of the model data that they were getting from the hurricane hunters was projecting that. So yeah, it's crazy that it's going to be snowing tonight and we're going to wake up with snow on the ground in the morning. But yeah, hopefully, because it's snowing down the road, but I don't know. Yeah, they're thinking we could be under a blizzard warning soon. I swear to God. Guys, when we first woke up and saw this much snow, it was like joy just erupted through the whole city. Everybody was out playing, throwing snowballs. It was just so cool to see. And it was just pure joy. It was just so nice. And for context, we've never seen like snow with our eyes before, me and Lexi. Ryan has, but so this was our first time ever seeing snow like this. So you guys, before we get on a roll with this snowstorm, we have a couple of objectives to cover. We need to make snow cream, make a snowman, make snowballs, and go see snow on the beach.
They exist.
Good morning, guys. Look what is behind me. It's snowing. So yeah, it's been snowing for about an hour now.
No, more than that.
Started snowing at like 8 o'clock.
This is how much accumulated in an hour.
So yeah, they did already come down our road and plow it. With what? I don't know. I heard that there were plow trucks coming in from Iowa, but I haven't really seen them yet. But
Oh my god, look at that
it's so
cow.
pretty. So we are planning on driving down to the beach before the blizzard gets in, because they're saying we could get a blizzard. Kind of crazy. They're calling it the blizzard, the Gulf Coast blizzard at 25. I'm being serious. But anyway, yeah, we are planning on going to the beach. We are going to record a ton of videos. And also, I think I will also pre-record my Vlogmas intro for next year since it's snowing. It's like the perfect time. Because never going to have this again. They said the last time this happened was the 1800s. It's crazy.
It's got to be a good amount for them to do anything.
Lexi!
This is
God.
insane. Tell her don't get her gloves too wet.
Don't get your gloves too wet!
In snow as it comes down at 2 inches per hour.
Lexi, smile!
Why? Shouldn't attempt it. Should not attempt it. I don't know why you even attempt it. I don't know what.
Oh, jeez. It's like slushy. Fun, Ryan. It's crunchy. You get that on video? No.
Oh, wait. I gotta do it like this.
As of right now,
Guys, this is apparently what's coming later with 40-mile-an-hour winds, so that's gonna look a whole lot different, and I'm afraid we're gonna lose power, but it's gonna be what it's gonna be. We can't really control it, but yeah, we already have around 1.5 inches to 2 inches of snow right now, and so it's gonna be raining until 9 o'clock tonight. 5 o'clock? Did I say raining? I meant snowing.
You said raining.
My bad. I'm so used to the rain. Alright guys, we are loaded up in the car and we are going to drive down to the beach to see snow on the beach. So yeah, it is actually getting a little crazy outside. The blizzard is now in New Orleans, so it's getting closer and closer and closer. So we gotta kind of hurry. I got a hooligan. Okay. By the way, obviously the snow, like the blizzard, was in New Orleans, but it really didn't take long to get to us. So by the time we got to the beach, it was like full on like effect of blizzard snow.
Whole party.
They're dancing. Okay guys, we have made it to the beach and it is very lake effect out here. It's so cool. Say hey. This is the blizzard now. Robert, we do need to park so me and Lexi. Oh, so I can take pictures.
Oh, that's what the wheel was grinding on.
Oh! Here, look. Here's some too. Look. Uh-oh. There's a bunch of ice on the car.
Yeah.
It's gonna.
Also, if you guys watch Ryan Hall, y'all, for weather, I ended up on his channel about it snowing on the beach. So that was very cool. Okay, guys, so I just took a measurement. We now have 4.5 inches of snow. So it's just so beautiful.
We'll get you some snow, Jeff. Don't worry.
I know, but your dad had a
Because
lot.
if you get snow, I'm probably going to get snow. And yeah, I want snow.
Huh? Oh, his ass.
Seriously.
There you go, sweet girl. Go, Izzy, go.
What is that, Shodak, New York, or Shodak, New York? This is the...
This is ridiculous.
Stay off the road, so Brian.
That's close to 6 inches or something. I don't even know. It's ridiculous. Look at this. So we are making a snowman, but really quickly, I want to make a snow angel. So I'm gonna plop down on this clean piece of land. I'm gonna make me a snow angel. Here we go.
I'm making a giant ass fucking pit of snow to jump into.
Oh my god!
I'm making a.
Hey, I did it! Guys, do you like my snow angel? It's so adorable. Freaking love it.
How do we know how much poop is out here?
We don't.
Actually-
We don't know how much poop is out here. We just have to assume that there's none and pray to God that we don't have it on us. You know what I mean? Ryan, are you enjoying the blizzard? The great Gulf of America blizzard at 25. Oh,
There's your transition.
all right, guys. So, update on our snowman conquest. So we couldn't make a traditional snowman because the snow's too fluffy. So we packed it in the trash can, and we made a little snow dog. So yeah, pretty cute. What are you doing, Ryan?
Do you have that on video?
Yes.
Who else gonna try it?
Who wants to try snow cream? It's so good.
I'm scared.
No, Lexi, it's delicious.
What's in it?
I'll make me some and put in the freezer.
It honestly just tastes like vanilla ice cream.
Uh-huh. Isn't it good?
But it's richer.
What the frick? Jeez.
Georgia, it'll happen slowly over the next.
It's so pretty, you guys. I mean, it's just gorgeous out here. So before the realliest heavy snow comes in, by the way, the heaviest snow has not made it here yet. Let's see. We'll do right here. We'll do right here next to the bowl. 7 inches. Let's see over here. There's a big old drift over here. Let's see what this one is. Nope, ground solid, can't go any deeper than that. Foot, we got a foot right there, foot right there. Guys, it's just so pretty. I don't even want it to stop.
Push it back a little bit. That needs to be cleaned up.
Ryan's out there trying to make his little pile to jump in. Been working on it for about 30 minutes now.
You jump in it too, so.
Alright guys, so Ryan finally made his 5-foot tall snow pile he's gonna jump in. As you can see, the snow has really lightened up, which is great. We've gotten probably close to 11 inches of snow today. So he's gonna move the rake, he's gonna move everything, and then he's gonna jump right on in.
Wow, knocked the breath out of him.
He's flattened. He's got flattened now. Ryan,
Do I
blink.
need to bring some hot water, thaw you out?
Blink twice if you're still alive.
He's moving.
1, go.
Oh, wow.
Let's go. Still snowing, you guys. It's almost 6 o'clock, but it's just very, very fine. They say we still have about 3 more hours of this, though. But yeah. Guys, I'm laying in bed. I just did like 3 or 4 assignments. And the power is on now. But it fully went out. Okay, I've been waiting for this all day. Okay, all day. Okay, I just knew it was coming. Our power lines, we had a hurricane and they didn't come out and check the power lines, right? And we had a cat 1. Almost a cat. No, was it a cat 2? I can't remember. Let me know. I don't remember. And they never came and like repaired the power lines after that. Like, you know, like repaired like the minor damages, not like it blew. You get me? So with this snowstorm, with the weight of it and the ice, like we had icicles like this big hanging off our car. So with the weight of the ice and the snow and the freezing, like it's gonna feel like 1 tonight. We've never experienced that. I mean, it's so bad. So power went out for like a few seconds and it's back on, but I'm fully expecting it to just go completely dark tonight. So yeah. Oh, we have icicles on our house. Hey guys, so it is now the morning. Got down to 2 degrees last night. Measurement that we took, I think it went to the Washington Post this morning. from our yard, so that was pretty cool. We are currently building a snowman.
Look at that ice right there.
Look at how much ice, guys. Like, we could just slide into the dang ditch.
Well, stop saying.
Well, I'm scared, bruh.
You can't be scared. You're putting that type of shit in the air.
Can't have that blast so you can't hear light. Just see all this is melting because cars are driving.
Oh, but this is thick ice right here. Hi, guys. It is currently day 3 of the snow. I was filming outside yesterday. We started on our snowman, but my phone froze over, and so I had to get the water out of it because it messed up. But yeah,
I gotta have like.
we are going to finish our snowman sunglasses because let me tell you, it is so bright outside, it hurts your eyes. It just kills them. So yeah, we are going to finish our snowman today. They think that the snow is going to be fully melted by Saturday, so we just got to get it in while we can. But yeah, let me show you what it looks like.
Still icy though.
We still have a bunch of snow. And then this is the snowman we started on yesterday. We wanted him out of the sun so he didn't melt for obvious reasons. But yeah, guys, we have a problem. Our snowman, it's ice, complete ice. This snow is just so freaking crunchy. I mean, over here, it's still snow. It's still snow.
Guys, look.
But over here, it's ice.
It doesn't even break. How
Also,
are we supposed to build a snowman out of this?
we have to wear sunglasses because the snow is blinding our eyeballs, so. Say hi.
An ice ball.
Yeah, it's frozen, feel it.
Oh, frozen.
Hey guys, we finished our snowman.
What's under his hat?
Guys, everything is melting. Mr. Snowman's going bye-bye. Everything's falling off of him. They bite to the snow. So sad. We still have a bunch over here, though.